Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and if you love going to the gym or you are simply an active person in general, then you know how important protein is, especially when you are trying to build muscle mass. And this is a super high quality protein by Optimum Nutrition, as its primary ingredient is whey protein isolate. And there are so many amazing characteristics about this protein supplement. So this one has 24 grams of protein per serving. It has 5.5 grams of branched chain amino acids. And not only that, not only is it an amazing quality, but also it has an amazing taste because this flavor is double rich chocolate. So the way to prepare this is grabbing a scoop in 6 to 8 fluid ounces of water and then just stirring it for around 30 seconds. And then you get the amazing benefits of whey protein, and at the same time, you're drinking something that tastes good, which, in my opinion, is double the blessing. And that is my point of view.